My daily routine as a teacher.
Listen and practice.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Alissa. Today, I would like to share my daily routine as an English teacher and a mom. So, listen carefully. Every day, I wake up around 5 a.m. When I wake up, I stretch for a moment. Then, I get up and go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Next, I review the lesson plans for the day. I also take a moment to check and respond to emails. Next, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. When the breakfast is ready, I wake up my children and my husband. After that, I take a shower and put on my teaching uniform. Then, I put on my makeup. Next, we have breakfast in the dining room. After breakfast, I go to the school by riding a car. When I get to the class, I greet my students and say good morning. When the bell rings, it is time to start the lesson. Before the class, we always pray silently with our own beliefs. Then, I take attendance to see who is in the class today. Next, I read my lesson plans and teach English to the students. I teach them slowly and clearly so they can understand the lesson. After teaching, I usually give quizzes to all of the students. I ask the students to work individually or in a pair. Then, I watch them work quietly. Sometimes, I walk around the classroom and help the students who have a problem with the quizzes. Later, I grade the quizzes and write comments. When lunchtime comes, I take a break in the staff's room. I chat with other teachers in the staff room. After lunch, I go back to the classroom. In the afternoon, I meet some students who need extra help. I answer their questions and explain again. I make sure everyone understands the lesson before the class ends. At the end of the day, I usually meet parents who come to pick up their children. I talk to them about how their kids did in the class. Then, I say goodbye. When everyone leaves, I pack my teaching books and go home. When I get home, I take a moment to relax. Next, I do my work as a housewife. Well, that's all about my daily routine as a teacher and a mom. How about yours? Practice your English by sharing your daily routine in the comment box below.
Repeat after me.
My daily routine as a teacher. Hello, I'm Mrs. Alissa. Today, I would like to share my daily routine as an English teacher and a mom. So, listen carefully. Every day, I wake up around 5 a.m. Every day, I wake up around 5 a.m. When I wake up, I stretch for a moment. When I wake up, I stretch for a moment. Then, I get up and go to the bathroom. Then, I get up and go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Next, I review the lesson plans for the day. Next, I review the lesson plans for the day. I also take a moment to check and respond to emails. I also take a moment to check and respond to emails. Next, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. Next, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. When the breakfast is ready, I wake up my children and my husband. When the breakfast is ready, I wake up my children and my husband. After that, I take a shower and put on my teaching uniform. After that, I take a shower and put on my teaching uniform. Then, I put on my makeup. Then, I put on my makeup. Next, we have breakfast in the dining room. Next, we have breakfast in the dining room. After breakfast, I go to the school by riding a car. After breakfast, I go to the school by riding a car. When I get to the class, I greet my students and say good morning. When I get to the class, I greet my students and say good morning. When the bell rings, it is time to start the lesson. When the bell rings, it is time to start the lesson. Before the class, we always pray silently with our own beliefs. Before the class, we always pray silently with our own beliefs. Then, I take attendance to see who is in the class today. Then, I take attendance to see who is in the class today. Next, I read my lesson plans and teach English to the students. Next, I read my lesson plans and teach English to the students. I teach them slowly and clearly so they can understand the lesson. I teach them slowly and clearly so they can understand the lesson. After teaching, I usually give quizzes to all of the students. After teaching, I usually give quizzes to all of the students. I ask the students to work individually or in a pair. I ask the students to work individually or in a pair. Then, I watch them work quietly. Then, I watch them work quietly. Sometimes, I walk around the classroom and help the students who have a problem with the quizzes. Sometimes, I walk around the classroom and help the students who have a problem with the quizzes. Later, I grade the quizzes and write comments. Later, I grade the quizzes and write comments. When lunchtime comes, I take a break in the staff's room. When lunchtime comes, I take a break in the staff's room. I chat with other teachers in the staff room. I chat with other teachers in the staff room. After lunch, I go back to the classroom. After lunch, I go back to the classroom. In the afternoon, I meet some students who need extra help. In the afternoon, I meet some students who need extra help. I answer their questions and explain again. I answer their questions and explain again. I make sure everyone understands the lesson before the class ends. I make sure everyone understands the lesson before the class ends. At the end of the day, I usually meet parents who come to pick up their children. At the end of the day, I usually meet parents who come to pick up their children. I talk to them about how their kids did in the class. Then, I say goodbye. I talk to them about how their kids did in the class. Then, I say goodbye. When everyone leaves, I pack my teaching books and go home. When everyone leaves, I pack my teaching books and go home. When I get home, I take a moment to relax. When I get home, I take a moment to relax. Next, I do my work as a housewife. Next, I do my work as a housewife.
Answer the following questions.
Number 1. What time does Mrs. Alissa wake up every day? A. 6 a.m. B. 5 a.m. C. 7 a.m. D. 4 a.m.
Time is up. The answer is
Number 2. What does Mrs. Alissa do after waking up? A. Review lesson plans. B. Go back to sleep. C. Check social media. D. Exercise.
time is up. The answer is
Number 3. How does Mrs. Alissa start her morning routine? A. Making breakfast. B. Checking emails. C. Going to the bathroom. D. Stretching.
time is up. The answer is
Number 4. What does Mrs. Alissa do after breakfast? A. Take a shower. B. Go to work. C. Put on makeup. D. Wake up her children and husband.
time is up. The answer is
Number 5. What does Mrs. Alissa do during lunchtime? A. Grade quizzes. B. Chat with other teachers. C. Teach extra lessons. D. Take a nap.
time is up. The answer is Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.